There is nothing more frustrating than seeing money in your Upwork account, but not being able to touch it. In 2026, delayed payments are rarely a system error. They are usually just stuck in a specific phase of the Upwork billing cycle. Today I'll show you how to read your reports tab like a pro and exactly what to do if your funds haven't hit your bank when they should have. First, understand the 10-day cycle for hourly work. Clients are billed on Monday, they have until Friday to review, and then, this is the part that trips people up. Upwork holds the funds for 5 additional days for security. If your money is in the pending column, it isn't late, it's just in the mandatory cooling off period. It will move to available exactly 5 days after the review period ends. If your funds are available but haven't moved to your bank, check your Get Paid settings. Many freelancers accidentally set their schedule to quarterly or a high reserve balance, like $1,000. If your balance is $500 but your reserve is $600, Upwork won't trigger the payout. Set your reserve to $0 and your frequency to weekly or monthly to ensure the money moves automatically. Once Upwork says payment sent, they no longer have the money. If it's not in your bank after 24 hours, go to Transaction History and find the reference ID. Contact your bank's ACH or wire department and give them this ID. Most delays at this stage are just your local bank holding the funds for verification, especially for larger amounts over $2,000. Follow the cycle, and you'll never wonder where your money is. Hit subscribe for more Upwork and freelance finance masterclasses.